This is a demo of how to import training diary data into the training diary team manager. Before we start, just important to show, I've got a folder on my desktop. When an athlete or a group of athletes send me their training diaries, I'm going to save those files. Here you can see 5 players' files into that folder so that I know where to find them later on when I go to do the import. Now if we just open one of these, you should recognize this as the training diary that we've been using and that we've recommended that you use. The reason why this one's important is that it has exactly the right structure so that it can be copied directly. So if you have any old versions, please avoid using them because the import will not work. Go to the front page of the training diary system, and at the top you'll see these cells here. It says import data. There will be a list of weeks. This list will be flexible depending on your needs, so pay no attention to the actual dates you see. I'm going to choose a date here, week 38, 7th of the 3rd, 2011. That is the week that this data will be imported into. So select that carefully. Once you've got that right, click import data. It'll open a small wizard here that'll help you through the import process. You'll see it says please open the diary file for Anna Thompson. Anna happens to be the first name on the list here. It will work its way down this list, going through each person one at a time. I know I have a file for Anna, so I'm going to say get this athlete. I navigate to the file, find it, click open, copies it, pastes it. It now goes to the next athlete on the list, Camilla. Click on Camilla's file, click open, paste it. Casey, get this athlete, open. I don't have a file for Catherine, so I'm going to skip. I don't have a file for Charlotte, I'm going to skip. I do have one for Grace, so I'm going to get this one. Grace. And I do have a file for Jolene, so I'm going to get Jolene. And that's all that I've got, so I'm going to click finished. As you'll see, files were imported for Anna, Camilla, Casey, Grace and Jolene for week 38, 7th of the 3rd, 2011. So it knows where to place the data as long as you have used the correct training diary form with your athletes.